So we're in Clovis, California doing a repair up in the attic. They had a condensate line connected to a ABS vent line, and it separated in the attic and flooded the closet. First thing that we found, we got up here, is someone put a whole house fan in, and this vent line, you can see, starts over there and immediately goes uphill at about a 22-degree angle off of a 90-degree fitting. You can see there's a block there where it used to sit down. And then when they got over here, they had a piece of wire to pull it out away from the fan so it wouldn't hit. By the time they got over to the penetration that we worked on over there, and we'll take a video of that in a minute, the two lines were not meeting at a 90-degree angle. Like I say, it was up at a 22. And so real hard to tie that back in. The 90 was all the way up top. So what we had to do is come over here first and remove the strap holding that down to give it a little bit of movement from the far side over there. And then we took a piece of 1.5" ABS pipe just as a prop to hold it up, to get it up off the top of this box, this fan assembly, whole house fan assembly. Piece of plumber's tape that's mounted down to a ceiling joist here, and looks like a roof framing support. Down here we had to pull it over and away. So right now, this guy, when this fan comes on, it won't be hitting the box. The fan blades will not be hitting the pipe. So that's good. And then go ahead and go over there, take the bucket with you. Then over on this side, we've got, grab this light please, pointed at the coupling. We've got a no-hub band where we tied in the two pipelines right here. So we've got this grade worked out. You're at about a 1/2 inch a foot on this pipe, so it's good for drainage. And it's up off the box and the fan's not hitting it. No-hub coupling here, stainless steel coupling, not a no-hub coupling, so that's good. Put our own block in here to hold it up. Gave you about a 1/4 inch a foot grade on a brand new piece of pipe that goes over to a new 90. And then when we tie it in, this used to be where the 90 was at, right there. And you can see we got about a 15-inch piece. So this pipe used to go dead straight up and tie into that. Just horrible. Anyway, so we got a new piece of pipe over there, supported here about 4 feet back. We've got a piece of plumber's tape supporting it there, and that's tied in. So glue is drying, and when it's all said and done, you can run your condensate, you'll be good to go. Outside of that, this installation is done.